Excuse me, I can't seem to find my seat. Can you help me?
Of course. Let me see your boarding pass. You're in seat 23A. Just this way, please.
Thank you. Uh, Sorry, but you're in my seat. Oh, really? Let me double check. Oh, you're right. I'm supposed to be 23B. My apologies. No problem at all.
Would you like chicken or beef for your meal today?
I'll have the chicken, please.
Great choice. What about a drink?
A cup of coffee, please.
Certainly. Cream and sugar?
Just black, thanks.
We're about to take off. Please fasten your seatbelt and make sure your seat back is upright.
Done, thanks.
Please put up your tray table and open your window shade.
All right.
We're experiencing some turbulence. Please remain seated and keep your seatbelt fastened.
Understood. Excuse me, could you help me put my bag into the overhead bin? Is there free Wi-Fi on this flight?
Certainly. Let me help you with that. Yes, you can connect once we're at cruising altitude.
Excuse me, could I have a pillow, please?
Absolutely, I'll bring one right away.
Excuse me, I can't seem to find my seat. Can you help me? Thank you.
Of course. May I see your boarding pass? You're in seat 23A. Right this way, please.
Uh, Sorry, but I think you're in my seat. Oh, let me check my ticket. You're right, I should be in 23B. Sorry about that, no worries at all.
Would you like chicken or beef for your meal today?
I'll have the chicken, please.
Excellent. And what about a drink? We have coffee, tea, juice, soft drinks, beer, red wine, and white wine.
Do you have Canadian beer?
Yes, we have Molson Canadian. Would you like to try that?
Sure, I'd love one.
Would you like your beer now or with your meal?
Now would be perfect, thank you.
Here you are. Enjoy your drink.
Thanks a lot.
Would you like anything else to drink with your meal? Perhaps some wine or another beverage?
Actually, could I have a glass of red wine, please?
Certainly. We have Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot. Which would you prefer?
I'll take the Merlot, please.
Here's your wine. Anything else I can get for you?
No, that's great. Thank you very much.
Please fasten your seatbelt and make sure your seat back is upright. We'll be taking off soon.
All set, thank you.
Could you put up your tray table and open your window shade, please?
Sure thing.
We're experiencing some turbulence. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened.
Okay, understood. Excuse me, can you help me put my bag into the overhead bin?
Absolutely, let me take care of that for you.
Is there free Wi-Fi available on this flight?
Yes, Wi-Fi will be available after we reach cruising altitude.
Could I have a pillow and blanket, please?
Of course, I'll bring those for you immediately.
One more thing. Where is the restroom?
It's at the back of the plane, on your left-hand side. Good afternoon. What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here on vacation,
How long do you plan to stay in the United States?
about 2 weeks,
Where will you be staying during your trip?
at the Holiday Inn Hotel in Manhattan.
Do you have anything to declare? Food, plants, or large amounts of cash?
No, nothing to declare.
All right, welcome to the United States. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, where's the baggage claim area?
It's right downstairs. Follow the signs to your right.
Great, thanks. Oh no, my suitcase didn't arrive. Excuse me, I can't find my luggage. What should I do?
Don't worry. Please go to the lost luggage desk over there. They'll help you find it.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Hope it's found quickly.